So you need to know my background. I'm going to share a little bit. I've been working in the design and across marketing, across coding, across websites, across training for the last 3 decades. And I currently am a lead educator at Zenler. Okay, so I'm a lead educator at a software company where we teach people that have online courses or memberships how to build a successful business and how to set their site up. And I've been doing this for 5 years, okay, for them. Before that, I was running my own 3D animation, visual effects. I've got a photography company. I've got various course sites scattered. And I do this stuff because I love it. So I remember that I was on YouTube so many years ago, and all I was doing, I wasn't even monetizing anything. I was just doing free videos to help people because I had to read all the books. I had to learn this stuff myself. So I started a YouTube channel, and I've got 10k worth of members where I actually show them techniques for learning software like Adobe Photoshop, doing coding, HTML, learning basic computer basics, right? And more between that as well, 3D design, visual work, digital sculpting, how to use 3D printers, you name it. So I've been doing this stuff a long time, and I've been teaching online a long time. And that's why I'm so excited to bring this mentorship, because it gives me a chance to be with a small group of people. I'm only having 100 people. There's only 100 seats. That's it. And it closes. It's high ticket for sure, but it has to be because I'm spending a lot of time with you guys, and I'm checking and I'm critiquing every step of the way. This is not a normal workshop, and you'll find that yourself. I'm very much there with you the whole time. I'm checking your work. I'm just polishing things as we go through. I've got FAQ areas where you can talk to me. This is a very VIP type area. You will be my first cohort of people I send through this, so I've reduced the price massively for you. Check it out and see, because it might be something you're interested in. You can always reach me if you want to. You can send a email to me, okay, if you want to. That's hello@reactcreator.com. And you can ask me questions. We can jump on a quick live, it's no problem. And I can tell you exactly how you're getting. Now, when you come into the mentorship, you're on a wait list, but I'll be opening this up very soon, because I have payment plan. You can do pay in payments, and you can pay one-off as well, okay? So you can come into this. We're going to start, hopefully going to start June the 1st, okay? So check the link out below. If you want to know more about I'm going to be updating my website. This is quite new business. I've started this up only in the last month. So it shows you how the quick speed that I produce this stuff out at, because I know exactly what I'm doing, right? So every stage of it, I know exactly where I'm at. And this is the skills that I want to teach you, right? And it's not just business, right? It's also about being on camera. It's also about using tools like OBS to get them more polished. It's about talking to you about your tech. I'll be looking at your cameras and saying, you need to do this, you need to do this. There's going to be a lot of things that I'm going to be talking to you about as we move forward, as I get to know you. It's going to be very active. You're going to network with each other for sure. And we're going to move your businesses from wherever they are to up here, okay? So right up. But more importantly, you're going to be able to scale this stuff going forwards. So it's massive, it's priceless for you. This is invaluable content, right? Now, I can tell you this and you can go, yeah, you're just selling this to me and blah, blah. But honestly, I'm not. I really want to get you in there, and I want to get you in there because I want you to succeed. It's my mantra for life. Every time I run any workshop or live, I want my viewers to succeed, right? That's it. That's the bottom line. I want them to gain knowledge that they didn't have before that helps their business. That's it. That's all I think about. Okay. Now, it's high ticket, and I'm going to repeat this again. Reason it's high ticket, I need people that are serious, right? For Zenler, I run free education. I don't go into the details. I don't mentorship like I am with this program. One thing I do know is that if you're paying, you're going to be there. you're going to invest that time into your business. And so it's essential that you make that commitment. And that commitment is an investment into your future. Okay, that's all it is. So if you like this, if I'm chiming with you, if you think I'm just giving you marketing BS, I swear I'm not, right? It's not me, right? So check the link out below. Email me if you want to. I'm accessible. Put stuff in the chat if you want me to get in touch with you, you know. So I'm here for you. But if you want to know how to start your business right from zero, right the way through, if you're already a coach and you've got an online business but nothing's happening with it, then you've got to rethink what you're doing, right? And you might have all the content might be good, but we might need to restructure everything that you're doing based on the mentorship plan, right? So join me if you're struggling to get your business to really lift off, and I'll show you exactly how you can do it.